Hi, this is Matt with Inmate Search Info. Today we're going to take a look at how to find Maryland inmates. The Maryland Department of Public Safety and Correctional Services offers an inmate locator search function. And the search function includes inmates that have longer sentences, those that are currently in the system, does not include past inmates, does not include those that may have been in under a shorter system. They just, decide not to inboard those in this system if they're only going to be in for a brief stay. And unlike some of the searches that we've looked at for other states, the search criteria is pretty bare bones. It's basically name only. So you're only able to search if you know a name, and it's unclear as to whether it includes aliases. I think it may, but it's, like I say, pretty stripped down, and you'll see the results are pretty stripped down as well. So we're going to do this kind of more broad search, or a search that should get us a quite a variety of results because it's a common name, Michael Smith, and see what we get here. So as you can see, the page that comes up is not certainly anything special or spectacular to look at. They do include either a middle initial or middle name to help you narrow it down a little bit. It's a little unclear as to how they're sorting these. I guess it's date of birth. No, it's not even that. So the results, I'm not sure what the criteria they use is. And because we don't see any different names here, it doesn't appear to include aliases. So if you happen to know someone as a Michael Smith, for instance, and they're not, that's actually, Michael Smith seems to be a very common alias, as I've seen on some other pages and in other results. But if you don't know them by their legal name, you might be stuck here a little bit. But, again, and these are not in any particular order, but it's only 8 results, so you could potentially go through them line by line. The date of birth is certainly helpful, as well as the middle initial. If you happen to have that information or know an age range, that would obviously narrow it down a fair bit for you. So we'll just click on one here, so you can see what this page looks like. And that's it. That's basically what they give you about the inmate in the system. No information about them personally, no photos, no physical description, no information about the crime committed, or priors or anything like that we do see on a lot of other inmate search pages. So not a lot to go on. You do get the DOC, the Department of Corrections ID number, which is something that if you are sure you've identified the correct person, you may need for correspondence and things like that. One nice thing they do that some states don't for whatever reason is that they do give you the location of the facility, the address, a phone number right on the page, which again, not every place does for whatever reason. And they do give you a link to the facility. So these pages are a lot more extensive, obviously. They're a lot prettier to look at as well. And they do give you information on visitation. So if that's your purpose for trying to find the person, if that's something you're interested in, you're able to get that info directly from the results page, which is, again, pretty useful, something that a lot of other states could do. But unfortunately, the results page themselves are very bare bones and may not give you everything that you're looking to be able to do. But for additional resources on Maryland, including other types of offender searches, as well as step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, things like background checks for Maryland, please visit our link below in the description, which will also give you the direct link to this inmate search function that Maryland offers. Thanks so much for watching.